Hi everyone, this is Kunjo from Students for a Free Tibet. I'm here today outside the White House with my fellow activists from the Uyghur and Hong Kong communities to call on President Biden to prioritize the struggle of our peoples at his virtual summit with Xi Jinping this coming Monday. As American citizens who are from those communities most impacted by Chinese Communist Party violence, the U.S. President must take into consideration our suffering and rights. Therefore, with the voices of millions behind us, we make the following 5 demands of President Biden. Number 1, refuse any invitation from Xi Jinping to the Beijing 2022 Winter Olympics and announce a U.S. diplomatic boycott of the Games.
Secondly, we demand an end to the assault on Tibetan identity, including language, religion, culture, and nomadic way of life, and allow unrestricted access to Tibet by the international community, including media, international observers, and Tibetans living in exile. Our third demand is that Biden presses for the release of all political prisoners being held in violation of their basic rights and seek urgent information about the well-being of Hong Kong activists Ma Jin-man and Tong Kit, Tibetan environmental activist Anya Sengda, and Uyghur economist and scholar Ilham Tohti.
Number 4, urge President Xi Jinping to repeal the national security law in Hong Kong and release all convicted under it. And lastly, call for unfettered access for American companies to factories and fields in their supply chains so that they can make accurate assessments of the conditions at these facilities to ensure they are not procuring products from companies using Uyghur forced labor, especially as it relates to proven cases of Uyghur forced labor in what China calls the Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region.
We arrived this morning. We're going to continue to stay and protest until Monday evening. Please support the efforts by joining us at the rally tomorrow, Sunday, November 14th at Lafayette Square Park from 2 to 4 p.m.